Hello everyone, welcome again to the Flavour-O-Rama channel. Thank you for joining us today for another delicious recipe. Finally, summer is here, and now is the perfect time to create some classic summer dishes. So if that sounds good and nostalgic to you, grab a drink, sit back and relax, and enjoy the video. For today's recipe, we're going to make a juicy and tasty double bacon and cheese smash burger with garlic brown butter, all with the star of the show, of course, Flavour-O-Rama seasoning. First, we are going to start off with making our garlic brown butter. Over medium-low heat, begin to melt 1 stick of butter. As the butter is melting, add in the peeled cloves of garlic and thyme to the butter. Decrease the heat to low and begin to stir the butter mixture. While stirring the butter mixture, you're going to notice brown speckles or tiny milk solids that will begin to separate and make the butter mixture turn into a toasted brown color. Once this occurs, take the mixture off of the heat and pour into a heat-safe bowl. Set the butter aside. Next, we are going to prepare our buns. Since the buns will be toasted for the burgers, make sure that the buns, if they are not already, are cut, leaving a top and bottom bun. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter to a pan on medium heat and begin to add the top and bottom buns to the pan to make them toast. Toast each side of the bun until it is golden brown. Now we can begin to prepare our spicy burger sauce. To start, add about 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Stir together until well blended. Set aside. Next, we can begin to prep the veggies. Begin to slice the tomato and onion into slices. Season the tomatoes with at least 1 teaspoon of Flavour-O-Rama seasoning. Wash and pat dry the lettuce, then set all the veggies aside. To begin to make the burgers, we will start off with dicing the bacon into small pieces. The Flavour-O-Rama family would like to say a huge thank you to all the new subscribers. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to make sure that you do not miss any of these delicious recipes and more. Then after cutting up the bacon, in a large bowl, thoroughly mix in the beef, 1 egg, the bacon pieces, ground black pepper, and the Flavour-O-Rama seasoning. Mix all of these ingredients together until well blended. Now, begin to form 8 equal-sized hamburger balls or patties and place them on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. Then place the tray in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. Preheat a cast iron pan or griddle to medium heat and add in the cooking oil. Begin to add the burger meat to the hot pan and immediately press down using the burger press. A piece of parchment paper can be placed in between the burger press and the meat to prevent sticking. Cook the meat with the burger press for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the juices start to appear on the top of the uncooked side of the burger. Remove the burger press and add salt to taste. Flip the burger again and add salt to taste to the other side. Then cover with the burger press and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, remove the burger press and immediately add the cheese to the burger and make sure that the cheese begins to melt. After adding the cheese and letting it melt, add a dollop of garlic butter to the top of the cheese and the burger patty. Let the cheese and the garlic butter continue to melt together. Repeat with the remaining burger patties. Now go ahead and stack 2 burger patties on top of each other and set aside. As always, make sure to disinfect the kitchen area after prepping raw animal products. Finally, for assembly of the burger, layer the bottom toasted bun with spicy burger sauce, then layer on the lettuce, tomatoes, onions, 2 cheeseburger patties, more spicy burger sauce on the top bun, and serve. And there you have it, a juicy, savory, double bacon and cheese smash burger with garlic brown butter. A perfect way to start the summer. With this dish, you can have the taste of summer whenever and wherever you like. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you next time.